Now we will show you how to set up the Levluck KANGEN 8 to produce KANGEN water. First, check that all the accessories are included. Position the unit on a flat surface. If it is still unstable, adjust the rear feet to keep the unit level. Next, we will explain how to install the diverter. First, check what type of faucet you have. We will show you 3 major types here. We will begin by showing you how to install a diverter on a faucet with an inner thread aerator. In this instance, 2 types of diverters are available to choose from. First, the stainless steel diverter. These are the accessories you will use. First, remove the aerator that is attached to the faucet. Check the size of the thread and tighten the adapter T or the adapter S with packing material installed to the faucet. Use a coin to tighten the adapter S. Tighten the stainless steel diverter to complete the installation. Next, we will show you how to install the diverter with shower function. These are the accessories you will use. First, remove the aerator already in place. While checking the size of the thread, attach the fixing nut and either the gray adapter or the white adapter in the C-set to the faucet and securely tighten. Here as well, it is also very convenient if you use a coin to tighten the adapter. Once you tighten the diverter with shower function to the adapter, the process is complete. Next, we will show you how to install the diverter to a faucet with an outer thread aerator. These are the accessories you will use. First, remove the aerator already in place. After checking the size of the thread, attach the fixing nut and tighten either the gray adapter or the white adapter in the B-set to the faucet. Here too, it is also very convenient if you use a coin to tighten the adapter B-set. Tighten the fixing nut on the diverter with shower function. The process is now complete. Finally, we will show you how to install a diverter in a faucet with a flared end. These are the accessories you will use. Find the best matching adapter from the A-set, depending on the size of your faucet. First, thread the fixing nut over the faucet. Next, set the appropriately sized adapter onto the head of the faucet. Tighten the fixing nut on the diverter with shower function. The installation is now complete. For other faucet types, please contact your dealer or any of our offices on the list. Next, we will show you how to set up the unit. First, in the case of the stainless steel diverter, remove the fixing nut from the stainless steel diverter that has already been installed to the faucet and pass the white water supply hose through the hose fixing nut. Fully connect the water supply hose to the branch plug and tighten the hose fixing nut. At this time, remove the caps on each end of the flexible pipe and the secondary pipe. Next, the diverter with shower function. Remove the fixing nut on the diverter with shower function that has already been installed. Put the white water supply hose through the fixing nut and fully connect the water supply hose to the branch plug, and then tighten the fixing nut. At this time, remove the caps on each end of the flexible pipe and the secondary pipe. Next, insert the connector into the appliance inlet. Plug in the power cord. Touch the LCD panel. The unit should power on. The installation process is now complete. For more information, please see the operation manual. Check the settings after the unit is installed. Touch the Settings button on the bottom of the home screen. First, we will set the language for the touch panel and voice guidance. Touch the button for the desired language from the 8 language options. The preset language is English. A voice guidance message will be played in the set language.
The language has been set to English.
Return to the settings screen after language setup by touching the Back button in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, select the volume level. First, touch the Volume button on the settings screen. Select the volume level from 3 options: high, low, and off. Return to the settings screen after choosing the volume level. Next, select the screen brightness. First, touch the Brightness button on the settings screen. Select the desired brightness and touch the corresponding button. Return to the settings screen after choosing the screen brightness. Next, set the automatic power off timer. If the machine is not operated for a certain amount of time, the screen and the power will turn off. The preset off time is 1 minute.
Powering off.
The power will turn on again when you touch the screen or run water through the unit.
Powering on.
Touch the Sleep button on the settings screen to change the timer settings. Touch the desired time button. The auto power off timer will be set. Return to the settings screen. Finally, check the filter replacement interval. Use it as a rough guide for knowing when to replace your water filter. By touching the Filter Check button on the settings screen, the Filter Check screen will be displayed. The graduation marks on the left represent how much water has passed through the filter. Replace the filter after 6,000 liters. The graduation marks on the right represent how long the current filter has been used. Usually, a filter lasts about 1 year. When the marks increase and show the word Replace, it is time to replace the filter. We will show you how to replace the water filter later. When the filter check is complete, return to the settings screen. Now all the settings are finished.